Seth Kemmet. Seth is a music producer with a passion for programming, and we're excited to see what Seth has for us today. Seth's project is called Onder. Floor is all yours, Seth.
Thank you, Blank. Can you hear me all right? Right. Hello, everyone. My name is Seth Kemmet, and I'm going to be telling you about my app, Onder, the music sharing platform. So Onder is a platform for artists to share their original music, engage in a musical community, receive feedback, and listen to music. Some problems with sharing music today are if you're trying to share music with like a friend and you just send them a file, that can get rid of the metadata, which would be like the cover art and other information about it. Some types of audio files are hard to open over the phone, so that can all be wrong with sharing audio files. And on online music sharing platforms, you often need like a distributor in order to upload your music. And I've noticed that they often have mobile websites that aren't up to par with their desktop websites. So with Onder, it's easy to share tracks and playlists. You just have to upload them and then you can share the link with anyone. And you can upload most types of audio files, and it is designed with mobile in mind. Some features include a search bar to look up users, playlists, or tracks. Comments, you can comment on people's profiles, on their tracks, or on their playlists. And the audio player has a queue and also displays the track information. So if we hop into the website over here, we'll start out on my profile. We're on my tracks tab right now. And you can even go to the playlists, likes, which includes playlists, and my network, which would be all the followers I have and all the people I'm following. And then on my wall, there's comments. You can write a comment. And then that would appear right there. And then if we go over here, and if we look at other people's tracks here, I could always add them to the queue, and that would come in down there. And to upload a track, I would just go over here, and then I have it filled out over here. Uploading that would then bring me to my track page, and it would be right here for me. I can add that to the queue, and I don't know if Zoom will pick up the audio, but this should play. Yeah. Might have been a bit loud, but and then I can keep adding other tracks to the queue. And if we bring that up over here, we can then jump around to different spots, and then that would do that, yeah. And then if I had more time to work on this, I would have loved to add user customizable banners and website themes. Adding a search and sort feature to users' liked tracks so that they can easily find tracks they've already liked. Adding a shuffle feature to the queue to just get random music from your playlists. And implementing a random track button that will just bring you to a random track on the website to encourage exploring new music. All right, that's all. Do you have any questions for me?
Great, thank you, Seth. All right, so Seth, there's a lot of functionality there. What would you wish that you would have known prior to starting the project that could have helped you along your way?
Let's see. So about halfway through doing the back end, which is the database that contains all of my tables and information, I learned about subqueries and subtables, which are like grabbing information while you're grabbing different information. It's kind of weird. I wish I would have known about that at the beginning, because that helped me write all of my queries much better after the fact.
Sure. It's good. Adam's got a question. Says, awesome work. Seth, what technology did you use for uploading files and for the media player? So can you talk us through a little bit about the audio integration?
Yeah, so for all of the cover art, profile pictures, and audio files, I am using Cloudinary web servers. It's pretty easy to upload them with the widget they have. Can I show that off real quick?
Sure.
Okay. Uh, so if we go back to this upload, you can then click to insert an audio file from your computer, like that. Or you could have done it through the link that's in there. But then, so this link is stored in the database, and that has the path to the audio file, and then it can just pull from that whenever it wants to.
Great. And then final question, how about something you're most proud of? What's something that you yeah, it's either technical or functional. And actually, I guess the second part of that would be something you're most proud of. And then this seems like something you're pretty passionate about. So what would be your plans kind of moving forward with it?
Yeah, so thing I'm most proud of would probably be uh, the queue. I really like how I was able to do the queue and the audio player. I got it working very well. Um, as well as getting Cloudinary to work. That was a big success for me. And then, yes, I am very passionate about this. I am glad that this 2 weeks is over. I've spent a lot of hours outside of school working on this, but that does not mean I am finished with this. I would like to keep going with this in the future. And my end goal is actually to create a digital audio workstation or DAW that will be integrated with the website so you can make music and then upload it straight to the website.
Great. Awesome. Thank you, Seth.